Decision No. 95 of 2019 on exit permit of expatriates who are not subject to the labor law. The Prime Minister and Minister of Interior Sheikh Abdullah bin Nasser bin Khalifa Al-Thani has issued Decision No. 95 of 2019 regarding controls and procedures for the exit of some categories of expatriates who are not subject to the labor law in the State of Qatar. The Ministry of Interior, with the participation of the Ministry of Administrative Development, Labor and Social Affairs, held a press conference today, Thursday, January 16, 2020, regarding the same. Major General Mohamed Ahmed Al-Atiq, Director General of Passports Mohamed Hassan Al-Obaidli, Assistant Undersecretary for Labor Affairs at the Ministry of Administrative Development, Labor and Social Affairs, Lieutenant Colonel Ahmed Abdullah Al-Harami, Assistant Director of the Legal Affairs Department, attended the conference. The decision is another important step taken by the government of the State of Qatar to establish a modern system that strengthens labor laws in the State of Qatar and ensures the protection of the rights of all expatriate workers. According to the new decision, expatriates in the following categories have the freedom to temporarily or permanently leave the country during the period of validity of their employment contract. Employees in ministries and other government agencies, employees in public corporations and institutions, employees in the oil and gas sector and its subsidiary companies, employees in the marine vessels, workers in agriculture and farms, workers in private offices. This decision will support Qatari companies by enhancing the global competitiveness of these companies and ensuring their conformity with international labor regulations and international best practices. The decision also stipulated that the employer has the right to submit a reasoned request to the Ministry of Interior with the names of those who need prior approval before they leave the country, because of the nature of their work, not to exceed 5% of the total number of their employees. According to the new decision, domestic workers also have the right to temporarily or permanently exit the country during the validity of the work contract. All domestic workers must inform the employer at least 72 hours before they want to leave, in order to ensure the right of both employers and employees. The departure of domestic workers from the country during the period of the validity of their contract without notifying the employer deprives them of their rights such as financial obligations, travel tickets, and return to work again before the lapse of 4 years from the date of departure. The new decision came in accordance with the provisions of the second paragraph of Article 7 of Law No. 21 of 2015 regulating the entry and exit of expatriates and their residency. Director General of Passports Directorate in the Ministry of Interior Major General Mohamed Ahmed Al-Atiq stated, adding that implementation of these measures is underway. Commenting on abolishing exit permits, Assistant Undersecretary for Labor Affairs at the Ministry of Administrative Development, Labor and Social Affairs Mohamed Hassan Al-Obaidli said, "The government of the State of Qatar has worked closely with local and international partners and has implemented vast reforms to strengthen labor laws and increase protection for expatriate workers, which has made Qatar a leader in the region in labor reforms. This decision is a declaration of our firm commitment to developing a modern system that suits the needs of both employers and expatriate workers."